Carnival reports earnings tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern. The stock is up 15.7% in the past month. We ran the FSR before the report. Here's what the data shows going in. Analysts expect EPS of 35 cents and revenue of $6.6 billion. Carnival has been dealing with rising fuel costs, but crude oil dropped nearly 3%. A partial offset right before the report. Citigroup raised their price target from 35 to 37 last week, keeping a buy rating. The analyst average target sits at 35.05, well above today's price of 30.32. 1 year daily data, FSR Score 85%, Rolling FSR 94%. Prices range between 24 and 33 over the past year, currently sitting at 30.32, above the yearly average of 28.50. Despite all that movement within the range, the year-to-date return is essentially flat at 0.35%. The stock has been volatile but directionless over the full year, even as the past month alone gained nearly 16%. This is a stock with a high FSR and a choppy range-bound year. 85% overall with 94% rolling tells you the moves within that range have been structured and repeatable, not random. Going into tomorrow, the question is whether earnings breaks Carnival out of this 24 to 33 range it's been stuck in for a year, or whether it just continues the pattern. We'll run the post-earnings FSR after the call tomorrow. Subscribe so you catch it. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.